Hello, this is Akshi from team A04 and we are here to present our product called Vaccuno. So Vaccuno is a web-based application which we developed and which it actually aims at targeting the health sector in India and creating awareness about the need and knowledge of vaccinations. We here as a team believe that vaccinations form a vital part of the healthcare and right from the newborn kid to the young adult, everyone needs vaccinations according to their health requirements and medical history. So before we move on to the demonstration, I would like you to introduce you to my team. I'm Akshi, the product owner of this project. We use the Scrum development method. This is Himanshi, who's the Scrum master. Sonal Jain is the chief developer. Maitri Sharma is the chief developer, and Arsha Guneja is the chief developer. So let's start with the demonstration. For the sake of demonstration, we are assuming a registered user, but you can always add new users both on the user and on the doctor side. So once the user logs in, the first window that comes onto the display is the list of all the vaccinations that are available onto this platform to avail and look an appointment for. So this is actually the list of all the vaccinations that are available. Let's assume that the given user wants to opt in vaccination for anthrax. So we click on add to the to-do list button and we say okay. This to-do list was actually created so that a user can have a complete list of all the vaccination that he wishes to look an appointment for. So we click on the to-do list tab and this is the list that has been in the logs. So we see that the anthrax vaccination is added and the status here is not asked for appointment. So now we say, let's say we want to look an appointment for, so we click on search for doctors button. So this actually displays a list of all the doctors onto this platform that are available. So once the window opens, we get a list of all the doctors. So I'll give you a scroll down. So this is all the list of doctors that give us the given vaccination appointment. And let's say we want to book an appointment with this doctor and we click OK. Now let's just to make sure that appointment has been requested, we'll again visit the to-do list to check what's the status of our given vaccination. So we click on the to-do list button and we'll check for the status and it's pending for approval right now. So let's check what happened on the doctor's side once a request for an appointment has been made. Currently we are using a single browser for both the user and the doctor to give you a check of both sides on how at every step things are happening. So let's see what when a user requests for an appointment, what happens on the doctor side. When the doctor logs in, it gets a log of all the appointment requests that has been made, and we see that there is an anthrax appointment made by our user him. So we approve the appointment request that has been made to see how the statuses change. So once we approve, we set the appointment dates. So let's say since this vaccination needs 3 dosages, so let's say we add these 3 dates and we confirm the appointment dates for this given vaccination. Now, a mail is sent to the user that approval has been made by the doctor for a given vaccination. So now let's check how things change for a user once the approval has been made. We visit the to-do list again to see what's the appointment status update by the doctor onto the given account. So we visit the to-do list and we see that the appointment has been approved with a certain given dates that has been made. Now we wish to get directions to how do we want to reach to our given doctor for this appointment. So we are implemented a very class feature that's to get directions to that given location. So let's say you enter your current location. Let's say I'm in Jaipur right now, and I this is a mistype, and I look for the directions. So so the Google Map API redirects you and gives you a perfect map of from your location to the actual doctor's location that's in Ahmedabad, and you can reach the doctor very easily with via the same. Now this platform gives you an option to actually put up your queries regarding all the health problems you look answers for. So you can always ask a query onto this platform being a user, and any doctor onto this platform can answer your queries. So you can just post your question. Let's say I just say what is anthrax, which is a very idiotic question though. The doctor would say you can Google it. So when we visit the query page, we see that the question what is anthrax has been posted by a user him, which is not yet answered. So once a query comes up, let's see what happens on the doctor side. How can doctor actually answer a given query that's been posted by a user? So we visit the doctor page again, and we'll check the query button to see what are the new queries that are up for the day but to be answered by a given doctor. So we click on the ask queries button, and we see that there's a query called what is anthrax. Now we first approve that okay sure the doctor is willing to answer this given query. And now doctor answers the equally sensible answer that it's a disease. Now we'll see that the answer has been made by the doctor and it says which doctor answered the given query. Also, this now to add credibility to our platform, we have implemented a feature where after every appointment that's been taken by a user, it can always rate its experience on how it was its experience with a given doctor so that future improvements can be made both by the doctor and the platform in terms of suggestions for a given user at a given location. So we visit the doctor details button again to rate that given appointment you just visited. So first click on the give rating button. In order to give rating to that doctor you had an appointment with, and now we click on the give rating button. Let's say I'm very satisfied with what sort of answer I get and what sort of appointment it was, and I submit it with a 5-star rating. So this will add credibility to our platform and to the suggestions that this platform further makes for a given user, for a given vaccination and for given appointments at a given location. So it was really felt that we really needed such a platform for giving suggestions in terms of vaccinations, because it has been very much untouched in terms of development and in terms of easing the access to the same. So this is our team, and we have definitely links to their profiles in terms of all the social medias. You can always connect to them and look for their work and the developments they are working upon. You can always connect them through them on LinkedIn. So thank you for looking into our demonstration. Let us know your reviews about the same.